Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only great Dane, back with day 192 Star Drop opening. So let's see what we got.
Epic.
We get an epic. 100 blue.
Rare.
2 rare. 100 XP doublers.
Super
And
rare.
super rare. 100 coins. Don't believe much has changed since yesterday. The Cartoon Studios challenge draws closer. We have the Ruby and Emerald Prince Spout in the shop. Again,
I like trees.
pretty sure you can get these at a Star Drop, but if you're a fan of them, they're on a 50% discount. Daily freebies have 5 credits and 10 power points. And as of today, I have 1,626 XP doublers and 19,994 power points. About to cross that 20k threshold of power points I can't use. Again, hopefully they add that power point cap any time now. Anyway guys, let's see how far we can take this.